Good morning, class 12. So, today we are going to start the new topic, that is rent. Okay. So, there are two theories of rent. One rent is, we will see, according to the Ricardo, that is Ricardian theory of rent, and another theory is modern theory. Okay. That is modern economist has given his opinion on rent. So other is modern theory. Okay, modern, according to Ricardo, definition of rent is different, and according to modern economist, definition of rent is different. So we will see both the opinion on rent. So according to Ricardo, okay, according to Ricardo, according to Ricardian, rent is peculiar of land only. It is concerned with the rent. Rent is only concerned with the land only. Means, according to Ricardo, we can get rent only from the land. But according to modern economist has told that rent can be part of the income of each factors of productions. Each factors of production means we know that factors of productions are four, that is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Okay, so here according to modern economist, labor can get the rent. Labor rent is wages. Okay, and even income which is earned by the, okay, which we can earn on capital is also a rent. Okay, the profit earned by the entrepreneur is also a rent. So according to modern economist, okay, all the factors of productions they earn the rent. So rent can be part of the income of all the factors of production. But according to Ricardo, rent is only concerned with the land. Now, second, according to Ricardian theory, rent is the reward for the original and indestructible power of the soil. So here again Ricardo has told that according to Ricardo, rent is the reward for the original. Original, it means that it is already made by the nature. Okay, so here it is original and indestructible power of the soil, means it cannot be destroyed, which this definition is given by the Ricardo. But according to modern economist, okay, modern theory of rent attributes to it the difference between actual earning and transfer earning. Okay, so according to modern economist, okay, modern economist has told that rent is nothing but the difference between actual earning minus transfer earning. So what is actual earning, what is transfer earning, I will explain you with the help of diagram also. Okay, now here in easy language we can say that, okay, transfer earning is the minimum amount which must be paid if the factors of production has to be retained in its present use. So suppose it is a land. So if I'm using this land, means suppose the minimum amount that I have to pay for using this land is rupees 2000. Okay, rupees 2000. Then this 2000 is nothing but the 2000 is transfer payment, means minimum amount I have to pay for using this land. Okay, so we can say that the it is transfer earning is the minimum amount which must be paid if the factors of production has to be written in its present use. And what is actual earning? Now actual earning means, suppose that the minimum cost is suppose rupees 2000, but I'm getting how much, I'm using this and I'm paying rent, I'm paying the amount for the using of this land is suppose 6000. So rent, we can say that the rent is equal to actual earning means 6,000 minus 2,000 means, okay, actual income minus transfer income is equal to 6,000 minus 2,000. We can say that the 4,000 is what? Rupees 4,000 is rent. Okay, so this is a rent.